Those dihedral doors look sweet. A prerequisite for any proper supercar. Fairly comfortable inside the 570S once you find the correct seating position. Hear the sound of 3.8 twin-turbocharged liters of displacement. There are 562 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque waiting to burst out, at least once the engine settles into a completely reasonable idle after its somewhat frenetic minute-long warm-up routine. The 570S has a mode access via steering wheel button, to raise or lower the suspension. And that is what supercars like the McLaren 570S are all about.